The topic of my talk is dawah or destruction. What is the meaning of the word dawah? Those people coming from the Indian subcontinent, when they hear the word dawah or dawat, they think about mutton biryani, chicken biryani, or pulao. Dawah means an invitation, call. And as far as today's talk is concerned, I will only be talking about Dawatul Islam, an invitation towards Islam. An invitation is only given to an outsider. It is not given to the family members. Therefore, Dawah is an invitation to the non-Muslims, a call to the non-Muslims. When a Muslim talks to another Muslim about Islam, the appropriate Arabic word here used should be islah. Islah means to repair, to correct. When a Muslim is talking to another Muslim, giving him more information about Islam, correcting another Muslim, the appropriate word should be islah. So dawah means conveying the message of Islam to the non-Muslims, to those who are unaware of it. I start my talk with a quotation from the glorious Quran from Surah Al Imran, chapter number 3, verse number 110. Kuntum khayra ummah ukhrijat linnas. You are the best of people evolved for mankind. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving us an honor by calling us khayra ummah, that is the best of people, because we enjoin what is right and forbid what is wrong.